Hi children, good morning. Now let us see about Unit 2 solutions. Under that we are going to see Raoult's law, ideal solutions and non-ideal solutions. Now let us see about Raoult's law. For Raoult's law, we should know the term vapor pressure. What is vapor pressure? The pressure exerted by the vapor of a liquid at a particular temperature in a state of dynamic equilibrium. The pressure exerted by the vapor of a liquid. Usually, vapor pressure depends on nature of liquid and temperature. When we see about nature of liquid, due to strong intermolecular forces of liquid, vapor pressure decreases, and due to weak intermolecular forces, vapor pressure increases. So, vapor pressure lower due to strong intermolecular forces and high vapor pressure arise due to weak intermolecular forces. And when we see about temperature, vapor pressure increases with increase in temperature. You know the things why vapor pressure increases with increase in temperature. Yes, because the particles move freely. So, many particles which exist in liquid state moves to gaseous state. That's why when vapor pressure increases with increase in temperature. Now, let's see about Raoult's law. Raoult's law for solutions containing volatile liquids and Raoult's law for solutions containing non-volatile solute. When we see about solutions containing volatile liquids, according to Raoult's law, partial vapor pressure of each component is directly proportional to its mole fraction. And when we see about the notation, Pi proportional to chi I. And for solutions containing non-volatile solute, relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction of the solute. Relative lowering of vapor pressure is nothing but P0 minus P divided by P0, and this relative lowering of vapor pressure will be equal to mole fraction of the solute, that is nothing but chi solute. When we see about P0, that is vapor pressure of pure solvent, and P denotes vapor pressure of solution. After adding non-volatile solute, vapor pressure of solution is denoted by the symbol small p. Let us see about ideal solutions and non-ideal solutions. Ideal solutions. A solution of two completely miscible liquids is termed as an ideal solution when it obeys Raoult's law at all concentrations and at all temperatures. So, solution of two completely miscible liquids which obey Raoult's law are known as ideal solutions. When we see about the force of attraction between AA and BB, I mean the component 1 is considered as AA and component 2 is considered as BB, is nearly equal to AB. After mixing or miscible liquids formation, also the force of attraction is similar to the force of attraction before. So delta mix value of volume will be equal to 0. I mean there will be no change in volume on mixing the two components, and there will be no enthalpy change on mixing. That is delta mix H or delta H mix also equal to 0. A perfect ideal solution cannot be formed practically, but several solutions or very dilute solutions can behave as ideal solutions. So usually ideal solution is a imaginary one. Some examples. The following examples behaving as ideal solutions. First example is N-hexane plus N-heptane. Second example, benzene plus toluene. Third example, ethyl bromide plus ethyl chloride. Fourth example, chlorobenzene plus bromobenzene. These are given as examples for ideal solutions. Next, let us see about non-ideal solutions. When we see about non-ideal solutions, a solution which does not obey Raoult's law for all concentrations is called as a non-ideal solution. And when we see about the force of attraction between AB is not equal to AA and BB. So there will be a change in volume on mixing the two components, and there also be a change in enthalpy. In non-ideal solutions, some of the solutions showing positive deviations from Raoult's law and some other showing negative deviations from Raoult's law. Let us see about positive deviations from Raoult's law and after that negative deviations from Raoult's law one by one. Non-ideal solutions showing positive deviations from Raoult's law. When we see common examples, water plus ethanol, carbon tetrachloride plus benzene, acetone plus ethanol. These are examples for showing positive deviations from Raoult's law. A solution is said to exhibit positive deviations from Raoult's law when at any composition its vapor pressure is higher than that exhibited by Raoult's law. The liquid pairs showing positive deviation from Raoult's law have AB molecular interaction forces lower than the AA or BB molecular interaction forces. Thus, for non-ideal solutions showing positive deviation, delta H mix, I mean change of enthalpy during mixing of two components is equal to positive value, and delta V mix, I mean change of volume during mixing of two components also will be positive. And when we see the next case, I mean non-ideal solutions showing negative deviations from Raoult's law. When the two components A and B are mixed and the partial vapor pressure of each component as well as the total vapor pressure of the solution for any composition is less than that expected from Raoult's law, the solutions are said to exhibit negative deviations from Raoult's law. For such cases, the forces of interaction between A and B molecules are more than the AA and BB molecules' forces of attraction. When we see examples for these negative deviations, water plus hydrochloric acid, water plus nitric acid, chloroform plus acetone. These are common examples. In case of chloroform and acetone mixture, hydrogen bonding among their molecules takes place, due to which the escaping tendency of either of the liquid molecules becomes less. Therefore, the vapor pressure of the resulting solution is less than that of the pure components. And when we see about non-ideal solutions showing negative deviations, their change of enthalpy during mixing of two components, I mean delta H mix, value will be negative, and also delta V mix value also negative. So in this clip we have seen Raoult's law, ideal solutions and non-ideal solutions showing positive deviations and negative deviations from Raoult's law. Thank you.